Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to write essays using Google Bard. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type bard.google.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest that you log in first. While the act of composing personal essays retains its significance, Google Bard is well equipped to produce impressive essays spanning a wide range of topics, encompassing even the most intricate subjects. The tool's proficiency in generating detailed written content is exemplified through demonstrations like requesting an essay about Michael Jordan. As illustrated by this illustration, Google Bard's results yield a well-crafted and intelligent essay, showcasing its ability to simplify the process of essay writing. Nonetheless, it's important to remember that while Google Bard offers valuable support, the act of crafting your own essays remains essential. That's it. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.